Hello and welcome! In this video, we will see steps for adding a C2C feature to your Shopify website. Starting with the Shipturtle's dashboard, go to the Setting and then Subscription and Billing. Here you will find the add-on section from where you can enable our C2C Marketplace add-on feature. Add this feature with the basic plan and then click on Next, which will lead to the checkout page. Here, click on Approve. Now in your Shopify homepage, go to the Settings section. This is where you will find your Shopify domain, which you will need in upcoming process. So copy the domain and paste it somewhere. The next step will need to refer to the Shipturtle's knowledge base, where you can see the link referral, which needs to be copied as well. Now insert your domain in the referral link. Then come back to the Shopify store and go to the Content section followed by Menus. Here you will find Main Menu section. Click on it, after which you will see Add Menu Item. Add label as C2C. And now paste the link we copied and save for later use. Click on the tick to save and delete to discard, and then click on Save. Return to the Shopify homepage, go to the Sales channel, click on Online Store, and then go to the Theme section. Here you can see Customize button, click on it. As shown, go to the App, Embeds to turn on the C2C toggle, and then click on Save. Once this is finally saved, click on the Exit button to go back to the homepage. Now from the homepage, go to the Settings, and then go to the Customer Accounts. Make sure that your customer account is linked to the legacy, and here your C2C setup is completed. Thank you for watching.